So another source of hallucinogenic compounds is a tea, actually, that's called, I'm going to mangle this as well, huasca, or ayahuasca. It means vine of the soul. It's a drink that's brewed from plants that contain a chemical called DMT. And it also contains other chemicals that are called beta-carbolines. And this is significant, and I'll explain why in a moment. But this tea is a strong reddish-brown drink brewed in South America. And these beta-carbolines that are found along with this hallucinogenic compound are actually monoamine oxidase inhibitors. So remember, MAO is our enzyme, right? Our degradative enzyme that takes dopamine, right? Takes norepinephrine, takes serotonin, takes the monoamines, right? Those three neurotransmitters, and breaks them down, right? After they've been taken back up or re-uptaken into the axon terminal. And DMT, like a lot of these drugs, actually resembles, a monoamine. It looks a little bit like a monoamine. So by inhibiting the breakdown of the monoamines, right, it apparently inhibits some of the breakdown of DMT. So DMT is the chemical that's going to act at particular receptors in our brains, right, and generate these hallucinations and cognitive distortions that are associated with hallucinogenic drugs, right? The beta-carbolines inhibit the breakdown of DMT by MAO. They presumably also will inhibit, the breakdown of serotonin and the breakdown of norepinephrine and the breakdown of dopamine, so they can boost the availability of all the monoamines while you're drinking this tea. This, again, is a drug combination that's been used in South America and in the United States by members of a particular religious sect called the Christian Spiritist sect. And in 2006, I think it's Congress passed what's called the Religious Freedom Restoration Act. And then this sect actually ended up before the Supreme Court arguing that they should be able to use this particular huasca drink in their religious ceremonies. And the court ruled in 2006 that based upon that act passed by Congress, that they could. DMT, it turns out, is also available, kind of on the street apparently. It's called Foxy or Foxy-methoxy. It's a synthetic DMT analog available illegally, sometimes in tablet form.